Welcome student. Today we will start our new chapter of class 8th Geography chapter 3rd Mineral and Power Resources. Student, as we know that our earth has so many natural resources, natural substances we find in rock, soil and in seabed. So as today's our topic mineral, so first of all the question is what is mineral? Minerals, natural substances as I told you found in nature that have a definite chemical compositions. Natural substances which we found in nature that has chemical compositions, we call such type of substances mineral. Clear? So minerals, these are. As we know that there are so many minerals in our earth. So how to study these? So for to easy to study these, we just categorize these minerals into two way, like metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Means the question comes ki what are the types of minerals? And there are two types of minerals. We categorize these minerals in two types. What are these? Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals have hard substance. Metallic minerals have hard substance like iron, chromate, and non-metallic minerals that have not hard substance. Actually metallic minerals we found in igneous rock and metamorphic rock. As in previous class we came to know about the rocks when volcano erupt and molten magma came out, and with this molten magma when it cooled then it formed into the igneous rock. Okay, and for the modifications so many years later it will change into metamorphic. So these metallic minerals, as I told you that they have hard substance, lustrous, shiny. So these metals we found in igneous rock and metamorphic rock. And non-metallic minerals, as I told you, these metals have not too much hard substance. It has soft substance. Okay, so which type of non-metallic minerals? Means like potash, or you can say granite, or limestone. So these comes in the category of non-metallic minerals. So these non-metallic minerals generally found in sedimentary rock, and as we know that sedimentary rocks have soft substance. Is it clear? So there are two types, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals also subdivided. Metallic minerals also subdivided ferrous and non-ferrous metal. Ferrous metal means the metals which have iron. These metals known as ferrous metals, and those metals which do not have any iron, such metals called non-ferrous metals. So these are the types of minerals: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals subdivided again, ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal. Now the question is how to extract these minerals. As we know that these are very rich. If we talk about our country, southern part, that is very rich in minerals. Central part of India, that is very rich in minerals. So how to extract these minerals? Minerals found in nature. So some minerals we can get easily in the uppermost layer of the earth, but some minerals which we found, these are very in the depth. So how can we extract these minerals? Actually the process of the extractions of these minerals, it has three way. Means how these mining, drilling and quarrying. By these process, mining process, by drilling process and the quarrying process, we can extract the minerals. And as I told you, some minerals which we can get easily, means these are uppermost surface of the earth. So for this such type of minerals we can use mining in open cast mining, because mining that is also subdivided: open cast mining, shaft mining. Open cast mining means the minerals which we can easily as see that this is the upper layer of the earth. Okay, and we see that some minerals are here and some minerals are very deep. very deep in the earth. So the process, we use different process to extract these minerals. The minerals which are very near to the layer, then we can extract by open cast mining, means we can remove the surface area and then extract the minerals. Now the question is how to extract these minerals which are very deep in the earth. So we can use that shaft mining. So what is shaft mining? Actually we just make a hole and then make a tunnel. Understand? Like a tunnel, and like a tunnel, we just make a tunnel, and then through this tunnel we just use a lift, and with this lift we can extract these minerals to take out. Understand? So how to extract these minerals which are very deep? By processing with this soft mining through the tunnel. Is it clear? Drilling, generally drilling, that this process is used to extract the minerals which we found in seabed and soil. Generally I'm just talking about the oil, petrol, diesel, these minerals. So how can we extract? Through this the process of drilling. Third one is quarrying. Generally quarrying is also the minerals which are in a shallow layer of the earth, or you can say uppermost layer of the earth. We can use quarrying. Quarrying means we can dig the layer and then extract the minerals. Generally if we see that this open cast mining and this quarrying, these are these minerals found in the surface area of the earth, and we can easily by this process to extract these minerals. So I hope you understand this, the types of minerals, what are minerals, the types of minerals, and the extraction of this extract of these minerals. Okay, these are the process. And now I just stop my video content this in this video, and next contents we will continue in our next video. In that video we will take uses of minerals and where we get the minerals in India or in the world wise. Thank you.